In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Instagram with your Shopify store using the InstaFeed Plus Story Instagram Feed app. This is an excellent way to display your Instagram content directly on your Shopify site, which can enhance engagement and showcase your brand's personality more vibrantly. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to your Shopify admin page. If you're not familiar with finding this, don't worry. You simply log into your Shopify account and you'll land on your store's homepage. Now that you're there, you'll want to add a new feature to your store. This is a straightforward process that begins by looking at the menu on your left. Make sure you locate and click on the Add button from the menu options. Next up, a new window will open and you should see a link to visit the Shopify App Store. The Shopify App Store is a great resource for all sorts of applications that can enhance your online store, and today, that's precisely where we're heading. Click on the Shopify App Store button and it will guide you to the app repository. Now that you're in the App Store, it's time to search for the app you'll be using to connect Instagram with your store. Type Instagram in the search bar. This will pull up a list of applications related to Instagram which you can use on your Shopify store. While there are several options, some of which vary in features and integrations, today we're focusing on a specific app that's excellent for showcasing Instagram content. Once the search results are loaded, find and click on the Instagram link. You might see several options, but you'll be looking for the InstaFeed Plus Story Instagram Feed app specifically. This app is designed to help you effortlessly integrate your Instagram photos into your store, providing a visually appealing and seamless way to display your social media content to your website visitors. After selecting the InstaFeed Plus app from the options available, you'll be directed to the app's detail page. Here, you'll find information about what the app does, user reviews, and more. It's always a good idea to skim through this page to get a better understanding of the app and ensure it suits your needs. Finally, you're ready to add this app to your store. Look for the Install button on the app page. Clicking this will initiate the installation process, and you'll probably have to grant some permissions in order for the app to access your store and Instagram feed. Follow the prompts to complete the installation. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully integrated Instagram into your Shopify store using the InstaFeed Plus Story Instagram Feed app. Feel free to explore the settings within the app to customize how your feed looks and performs on your store, maximizing its appeal to your audience. Happy selling, everyone!